If you've lost the password card for your router or simply can't remember your Wi-Fi password, there's no need to worry. In devices running iOS 16 or later, Apple has added an easy to use and straightforward way to view saved Wi-Fi passwords on your device. And iOS even includes some handy Wi-Fi password sharing features, so you can skip digging around in the Settings app entirely. Finding the password for the network you're currently connected to is easy to do. Open up the Settings app on your device and go to Wi-Fi and tap the eye icon next to your network. You'll then see a password field which will be censored. Just tap on this and you'll be prompted to authenticate yourself to reveal the password. You can now see the password and copy it if you wish to do so. If you want to dig out the password for a network that you're no longer connected to, that's no problem either. Stay in Wi-Fi settings and tap the small edit button in the top right corner. This will ask you to authenticate and then present you with all the Wi-Fi networks you've ever connected to on your device. From here, the process is very similar to before. Just scroll to the network you want to find the password for and tap the eye icon. You can now tap on the censored password to reveal it and copy it if you wish. You also have the flexibility here to change Wi-Fi settings as well for the network, without being connected to it, which can be useful if you are having connectivity issues. If you've got friends and family that use Apple devices, you don't need to worry about copying and pasting passwords. In true classic Apple style, there's a fairly seamless way to get those around you online, with only a few prerequisites. Make sure you both have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled and that you have each other's details in your contacts apps. And make sure you're both near each other so your devices will be in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi range. In this case, I'll use the example of you and a friend to keep things simple. Before sharing, make sure your device is unlocked and your friend selects the Wi-Fi network from within the Settings app on their device. Once they tap the network, your device will be prompted with the suggestion to share the password. Tap Share Password and they'll be connected to your network. That's been it for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing and I'll see you in the next one.